Hello team, I'll run you through the layout of the import screen which has been developed in the HTML. So on load, you will have the loading effect something this way, so that the user has the attention grab on the main section of the web application. So on hover, you can see all of these are activated and they have the slight color changing effect. And with respect to the design requirements, currently we have given a marquee. Here I have given a dummy text. So here this can be replaced with any live updates or any data you want to pass through. And another page which we've completed is the advanced shipment page, similar to the home page. The advanced shipment page will indicate which section is important. So here you have the advanced shipment notification page. Here you will be able to fill up all the data, and as per your requirement, we have a drop down here and a date picker for whichever field is needed. So once you fill up all of those, and this data will be sent to the backend as per the development by the backend team. So once you click add item, the added item will be displayed on the table. So if you want to go back to the form and add some more data, all you have to do is just click this add item form, and the form comes back up. And the main login, the login data of the user and the marquee and the menu will be, remain the same, so that there is some stability and a standard focus for the whole application. I'd like to explain why we have designed the way we have done. So the first point would be we have made sure that the web application is not scrollable. So every information you see will be within the first screen, may it be the home page or the advanced shipment page. So you fill up the form, you click on add item, it goes to the table, and this also we made sure that it is not scrollable. And the second point is all this purchase order, this MRC and this ASN, they are all clickable links. So these can be linked to any say example, if you want to click on purchase order, you can click on purchase order and it takes you to this page. And the third point would be to ensure that the user is going to the right page and seeing the right data, we've given very subtle design changes on hover, based on hover effects, so that they know that they are on the right section of the page and viewing the right data. So going back to the advanced section, usually on filling up a form, people do not like to use their mouse. So what we have done is we have made sure all the data is on the sequence. So you click on the tab button and the cursor goes to each and every individual input, so that at the end, in the end, all you have to do is you have to click the enter button, and it takes you to the advanced shipment notification tab page. The next aspect of the form shows how we summon the data into a database. So after filling up all of this data in this form, and you have your date picker and your drop downs. So once your data is submitted, you have to click your add item, and based on the backend setup, it gets added to the table, and on clicking submit, it gives you a pop-up saying that the form has been submitted and your data has been successfully stored in the database.